My life was already successful in the eyes of the world bago ako nagpare. Meron naman akong ipon kahit papaano. Yung pamilya ko masaya at buo. Gusto ko na rin mag-asawa nung time na yon. Pero I felt it was not success, and I felt very empty. Yung sinasabi ng mga tao, wow, Migs, ang successful mo na. Ano na yung next for you? I felt very empty. Na para ba akong nasa field na walang treasure sa loob. Of course, I was happy and Jesus was already blessing my efforts and everything. But then, that's when I realized na grabe pala. I was looking for something much, much deeper. That I wanted to serve the Lord even more through the sacraments, through hearing confessions. So that's when my discernment began. I realized na tinatawag pa rin pala ako ng Diyos magpare. Iniwan ko lahat yon. I had to say goodbye to my feast. I had to say goodbye to the business that I put up. Nasara ko yung business. I had to put my life, quote-unquote, on hold para matugunan ko itong bukasyon ng pagpapari. And so that's what I did. And lo and behold, 10 years after, I was ordained a priest by God's grace, and I am so joyful. Ito yung pakaranasan na parang pinagpalit ko, as unworthy as I am, lahat ng mga akala ko dating masaya, maganda, successful, for my treasure and my field, which is Jesus using me as a priest. And I could not be more joyful and more peaceful.